Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the second segment of today's IQRA with IQRA, and I have Yasin with me, and I want to go to him straight away. Assalamu alaikum, Yasin. Yasin, assalamu alaikum. Yasin Khan, are you there? Mr. Yasin Fareed, are you there? I think it's gone. Chalo, koi baat nahi. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our next caller and let's see who we have with us. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Is that Zainab?
Yeah,
How are you, Zainab?
I'm fine.
Good. Listen, I want you to give it another shot on Friday. Last segment, who wants to be the best reciter, yeah?
Okay.
Give it, prepare something really good in it.
Okay.
Okay then, what are you going to read now?
I'm gonna read Surah Al-Qiyamah, the first 15 ayahs by memorized.
Surah Qiyamah.
Yeah.
Off by heart or looking inside?
Up by heart, the first 15 ayahs.
First 15 off by heart, yeah? Go on then, I'm ready. Let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا أقسم بيوم القيامة ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه يسأل أيان يوم القيامة فإذا برق البصر وخسف القمر وجمع الشمس والقمر يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
أين المفر? Because there's تشديد on the ra.
Okay.
أين المفر?
أين المفر كلا لا وزر إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
Only when there's tashdid on the ra you do that.
Oh,
يومئذ المستقر, and the ra happens to be at the end, isn't it? When the letter is at the end and you stop, أين المفر يومئذ المستقر. Do you understand?
yeah.
Carry on.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر.
قدم قاف المouth. قدم
قدم وأخر بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة ولو ألقى معاذيره.
Is that it?
Yeah.
I want you to say that again. Read it again. لا أقسم.
لا أقسم.
No. Mad la has a mud, a wavy mud, yeah?
Okay.
That mud is called mad jaiz munfasil because the letter of mud, alif, which is after the lam, is in one word and hamza is in the next word, uqsimu, okay? So because the hamza is separated from the mud letter alif, is mad jaiz munfasil. So it's la uqsimu.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة ولا أقسم بنفس
bin غنة تشديد. Whenever there's تشديد, listen. Whenever there is تشديد on the noon, it's called أكمل غنة, the most complete غنة. It's the top level of غنة. ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه يسأل أيان يوم القيامة فإذا برق البصر وخسف القمر وجمع الشمس والقمر يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
See, you forgot it wrong again.
Oh, مفر. كلا لا وزر.
Wazar. There's no tashid on the ra. Wazar,
وزر إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر بل الإنسان
على نفسه
بصيرة.
بصيرة. Ta changes to a ha.
لو ألقى معاذيره.
Thank you so much.
جزاك الله.
Next time from 16 onwards, you've got to finish off by ha, yeah?
Okay, جزاك الله.
Well, yeah, give it to Safiya.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Al-Salam, how are you, Safiya?
Good.
Where are you going to read from?
I'm going to read Naziyat from 26.
Naziyat from 26. Looking inside?
Yeah.
Okay, from 26. Let's do this.
أعوذ بالله
Yeah.
الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن في ذلك
لعبرة لمن يخشى.
إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى. أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها رفع سمكها فسواها وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها والجبال أرساها متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى.
Okay, you got to make that long. فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى.
فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى فأما من طغى وآثر الحياة الدنيا فإن الجحيم هي المأوى. وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى فإن الجنة هي المأوى. يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها فيما أنت من ذكراها إلى ربك منتهاها إنما أنت منذر من يخشاها كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها. Excellent, very good, mashallah. That was very good. More practice and make sure you girls call me tomorrow, yeah? Jazakallah. Wayak, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Ji Gulzar Sahab.
Yeah, Surah Baqarah, please, number 14.
Baqarah, verse number 14.
Yeah.
Very good. Let's do this.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا
Okay, قالوا more heavy. Qaf is more heavy. قالوا
آمنا
because whenever there's tashdid on the noon, that's akmal ghunna. Yeah, it's the most highest ghunna.
Right, okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay. آمنا وإذا خلوا وإذا خلوا إلى
خلوا, no, إلى. Alif has a kasra short sound.
Oh,
so it's ila.
Ila, yeah. إلى شياطينهم
shayatinihim.
شياطينهم
So it's وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ
وإذا خلوا شياطين
إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ.
إلى sorry وإذا خلوا إلى شياطينهم قالوا
إِنَّا
قالوا إنا معكم إنما نحن مستهزئون الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم بما يعمهون.
It's okay.
Sorry, that's all I recited.
Okay, so that's not too bad. 2 verses, very well read. Keep it up. And take your time, more practice. Look at every letter, every sign.
I will do now, actually. I'm going to go through them all now.
Lovely, thank you. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Who's calling?
Hussein.
Hussein, where will you be reading from?
Lesson 20.
Okay, lesson 20, which line? Top line, from the top.
Oh, yeah.
Is it from the top?
Yes.
Okay, are we doing Ijra?
Yes.
So are you reading it or what are you doing? Remind me, I can't remember.
But I'm reading and the rules.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay.
There's Yalin, and I know it's Yalin because the letter before the Ya Sakin has a fatha.
In Ghairi, yeah? In Ghairi.
Yeah.
Okay, so you could say the word. So in Ghairi, you're saying there's Yalin because Ya Sakin has a fatha. Okay, anything else?
The Ra will be empty mouth because it has a kasra underneath it. The Mi will be Hurufi Qamari because the lamb before it is not silent.
In which word?
In غير المغضوب.
Al-Maghdubi, isn't it? So you got to say the word so people know what you're talking about. So Ghairi, you missed out a rule. Ghain is full mouth.
Oh, yes.
Because of the quality of isti'la, Ghain is full mouth, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, Al-Maghdubi, the alif in between Ghairi and Maghdubi, the alif is silent.
Yes.
It's going to drop. And Lam, because we can hear the sound of Lam is Izhar, so the Mim is a moon letter. That's what you said?
Yes.
Carry on.
The Ghain has a sukoon on top of it, so the Mim will be joined with it. And there's Waw Madda because the letter before the Waw Sakin has a fatha, Dhamma. And then the Ba has a
okay, so hold on. So Waw Madda, so what? What's it going to do?
It's going to make it longer.
Make what longer?
The Dod.
Well, say that then. You're not saying it properly. Maghdubi. Okay, carry on. Alayhim.
Alayhim.
Alayhim has what?
Alayhim has the Yalin, and I know it's Yalin because the letter before the Ya Sakin has a fatha. The Mim has a sukoon on top of it, so the Ha will be joined with it. There's Harufi. There's Huruf Shamsi because the Alif Lam.
Where is Huruf Shamsi? Which one? So which one is Shamsi?
The Alif Lam before the Dod. The Dod will be Huruf Shamsi because the Alif Lam before it is silent.
Okay.
The Dod has a tashdid on it, so the Lam before it will be joined with it. And there will be Madd Muttasil because
Madd Lazim.
Or it will be Madd Lazim.
Yeah, because Madd Muttasil, after the Madd letter there has to be Hamza.
Yes.
After the Madd letter there has to be Hamza. Okay. Wala Dallin. So that's Madd Lazim. When after Madd letter, where is the Madd letter in Wala Dallin?
The dot.
Where, huh?
Oh, no, the hamza after the dot.
The alif after the dad is the mad letter. And
Yes.
after that, tashdid is on top of the lam.
Yes.
That's why it is mad lazim.
Yes.
And it's kilmi because kilmi means a word. Because it's in a word, darling is a word, isn't it?
Yes.
Right? And it's mustaqqal because tashdid gives a heavy double letter, double sound. Anything double is heavy, right?
Yes.
So it's mustaqqal. Okay. Thank you. Anything else in walad darling?
There's yalin because the letter before the ya sakin has a kasra.
It's ya madda.
Ya maddan.
Not yalin. Yalin has a fatha before it. Okay,
Yes.
lovely. Thank you. Is Abiha going to read?
Yes. Could I read Surah Yasin?
No, you should have said that earlier. Tomorrow you read Surah Yasin. Today you did a qaida. Tomorrow you do Surah Yasin.
Okay.
Okay? Right, give it to Abiha. Let her do the second line.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
As-salam Abiha. Do the second line.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Not dal. It's not dal. It's a dad. Dalla. Dalla. Fahada. Again.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Okay. Do the ijra.
وهذا sound short sound.
So listen, what you want to say, Abiya, wawajadaka, all the letters are fatha, so they're all short sound, okay?
Yeah.
Say it quickly like that. Move to dallan.
The dog is going to be for his mouth. Because
Why?
of the continuous failure.
Okay.
The dog has a fatha on top of it, short sound. And it has a mud on it. And after it, there's a tashdid, so it's going to be mud lazim.
Okay, so where's the, how do you know it's mad lazim? Why is it mad lazim?
Because after it, there's a tashdid.
After what?
After dog.
No, after the mad letter, it's always after the mad letters. So here the mad letter is alif, isn't it? After dad, can you see the mad letter alif?
Yeah.
Dallan, there's alif after the dad, yeah? So that's the mad letter alif. After that, there's a tashdid. That is why it's mad lazim. Okay, is Hashir going to read?
Yeah.
Give it to him because there's not enough time. Let him do the ijra of the last word. Hashir,
Assalamu alaikum.
Assam, read that second line again.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Dallan fahada. Okay, so dad, Abiya explained mad lazim. Is there any other rule in dallan?
The lamb has a tanween fatha on top of it.
Okay.
So it also has a tashdid on top of it. So it will be.
What's the rule of tashdid? Double letter, double sound, isn't it?
Yeah.
The rule of tashdid is double letter,
Double sound.
double letter, double sound. Dallan, dallan. Any other rule?
The dog has a.
Now moving forward, do you any other rule from dallan fahada? Do you see any other rule? I can read.
That is the full mouth.
Okay, no, Abiya said that. Read the third line.
The fa has a fatha.
Read the third line. Read it. Okay, listen. You know what you're going to have to do, Hussein? No, Hussein, Hashid, you're going to have to start from the beginning. Alif, ba, ta, tha. Fa'idha, can you read the third line? Fa'idha, do you know how to read it or not?
فإذا جاءت التا.
فإذا جاءت التا. Ta. Can you finish it? Okay, what I want you to do, Hashir, I want you to practice, because you did not finish lesson 19 either, did you?
No.
Okay, I want you to finish. I think you're finding this part hard. You're finding it hard. You have to know the rules. Okay? So practice lesson 19 and 20 with Hussein and Abiha. Okay? And I want to listen to it tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
And
can I read Muharij?
huh?
Can I read Muharij?
No, there's no time for that now. Time's up. You'll have to call me tomorrow now.
Okay.
Okay, call me tomorrow. Try to call me as soon as the show starts at 4 o'clock so we can go through more work with you. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you. After the break, last segment is going to be DYK Fiqhul Islam. Don't go anywhere. Assalamu alaikum.